Hey everyone, it's Allie, and today we are going to be trying out some falsies. I have done a few lash videos in the past. I have a couple of things coming up, but I saw these and I thought I really want to try these, and I wanted to try it out with you all. We are going to be trying out the Kiss imPRESS press-on falsies. When I saw this, I was like, genius, right? So I don't know if you are familiar with Kiss and imPRESS, but what I've seen in the past by imPRESS are nails, which, speaking of nails, don't mind my nails. I did not do them. I was actually going to get some press-on nails so they would look presentable to you, but I didn't have time and I wanted to film this because I wanted to try this. Yes, I've seen a few of their press-on nails, different Kiss products, nail products, lashes, but I have never seen this. So I mean, the concept of this is like genius, and I feel like it's right in front of us. I love the idea of that. I saw this pack first and I just grabbed them. And this I realized was a refill pack because later on I saw on display like the kit, I guess. The difference from what I saw is that the kit comes with the applicator. I personally have a few different lash applicators, so I was like, all right, I already picked these. I don't need another applicator. I'm just gonna stick with these. However, now looking at the box, it does say that their applicator is a non-stick applicator with a unique curve design and non-stick coating for optimal results. So I am throwing that out there. I am not going to be using the applicator that comes with the kit because I did purchase a refill pack. However, I think it'll be fine. Let's see, I'm jumping ahead. I'm looking at the website. I'm trying to find the different styles. And for the imPRESS lashes, it says natural, voluminous, spiky, glamorous, natural and wispy, voluminous and curly, wispy, curly, and I think that's it from what I'm seeing. What I did notice on the starter kit, the one that I saw, it had a couple of different options, meaning like short, medium, and long. So that was kind of cool that you could go ahead and customize it. Say if you want more of like a cat eye, you could pick like a shorter, a medium, and a longer on the outside. So again, I didn't get that, but I like that they did offer different lengths in the starter kit. So that was pretty cool. This is what they say. It's a one-step process. They say there's no glue needed. It says just press and go, like a press-on nail, but press-on lashes. It says no glue needed, 24-hour hold, easy removal, and safe for natural lashes. I have never had eyelash extensions like that I've gotten done, but I have played around with a couple of like at-home extensions. Let me know if you want to know a little bit more about that. I got the wispy. This is the refill pack. If you haven't done any like at-home lash extensions or have gotten them done or anything like that, basically from what I have experienced, you take the little lash cluster. So it's not like a traditional strip lash. It's different clusters, and you actually place it underneath your eyelashes instead of on top like a traditional strip lash. It shows the step here. It says pluck a cluster from the tray, place the cluster underneath your natural lash, and then squeeze the clusters and natural lashes together with the applicator. So again, I don't have their applicator, but I have a couple that I will be using. This does come with 30 clusters. Oh, and I didn't even realize, I guess over here it does say short, medium, and long. So you are able to customize it according to the look that you want to get. So I am going to go ahead. Now the only thing is it is not written on the tray. It's just on this cover. So this is pretty cool. Basically you just pick a cluster, put it underneath, and press. I think I'm going to do a little bit of a cat eye. I'll play around with it. I want to see how the different styles look. For the most part, I kind of stick to like the same length all over to kind of like open up my eyes a little bit, but let's play around. So these are the applicators that I'm going to be using. Again, they are not by Kiss. I am stressing that. I'm putting that out there. I am not using the applicator that comes with the kit, but the one that comes in the kit is more like this shaped. I don't know if you can see. I also have this applicator, which is from an at-home lash extension brand, which I am a big fan of. So I can use this also. I will clean that, make sure there's no glue. All right, let's get started. Let's start with the short. I'm gonna just literally pluck it and go. I'm so excited. I will show you, but you can see there is like a little bit, it's shiny at the base where the glue, the bond is. I should have started from the outside in, but since I got the shorter one first, I'm going to start from the inside out. We're supposed to avoid touching the band area. I did touch the band area a little bit, sticking onto the applicator, but it's no big deal. Since I did pick the short one first, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the inner corner of my eye. And truthfully, from what I've done in the past, I actually prefer just kind of like using my fingers. So I'm gonna try it with just my fingertips. And okay, got one on there. Oh, nope. Came off. Hold on. Bear with me. This is the first time I'm trying these. I'm gonna try to do quickly, but let's see. Hold on. I don't think that I'm terrible at lashes. Am I the best? Probably not, but we're keeping it real here. Now, from what I'm experiencing right now, I think I'm gonna have to like seal it as I go instead of everything at once afterwards. So I'm gonna go ahead and push on that, press on that. Oh, that is on there. No. Okay, that's not working and that doesn't really feel sticky. Okay, so I'm grabbing another one. Hold on. Maybe I touched the band too much. So I am grabbing a second one of the short, not touching the band this time. Putting it on the lash. Do not touch the band. Don't touch the band. This is me trying to remind myself, so ignore me. And let's see. Okay, it's there. Okay, much better, I think. Let's see with the other applicator, if that's gonna help. Okay, that's not really staying on. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, one. Let's move on to, I think I'm gonna do short, short, medium, long. Short, medium, medium. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a medium. I did not touch the band. Okay, and we're just gonna put that right next to that, right underneath, like so. Ooh, that was easier. Hold on, let me adjust it. And I'm gonna tap it. Shoot. I'm really, really trying not to touch the band. But my eyes are tearing now, which I'm sure won't help. Hold on. Okay. Let's try to secure that in. Not the greatest, but not terrible. Let's do another medium. Do not touch the band. That's what I'm learning. Do not touch the band. You'll be able to see where it's like a little bit reflective. Okay, let's put that right next to that one. Okay. And I'm gonna just like tap it onto my lashes so it like sticks on a little bit better. Okay, and now I'm gonna just like squeeze it on. Ooh, that's not bad. I have a feeling that their applicator, since it says it was non-stick, it's probably a little bit easier, but okay, I'm getting the hang of it. Not bad. I think I'm gonna be able to fit two more. I wonder if I might have to cut it in half. Let's do a long. I'm grabbing a long one now. I'm gonna put that on the outer corner. I might need another one and I might need actually a half. So I might have to cut this in half. Right, let's put this on the outside here. Trying to get it close to the other one so I don't have any like gaps, you know? Ooh, okay, that's on there. Cute, okay, not bad. You can tell that like at first it was a little wonky, but ooh, I'm getting the hang of it. I think I should use another one, but I think another full one would be too big. I'm gonna just do another full one. I'm doing another long. All right, I'll put that right on the outer corner. Perfect, actually that fit nicely. All right, not bad. There's one eye. Not bad. Anyways, let's do the other side and see. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing. Short, medium, medium, long, long. I'm gonna start from the outside in this time. So let's get along. Let's see if one way is easier than the other. So let's do the outside. Now it does say 24-hour wear. I'm curious about that. Okay, that was good. We're good, we're good. Oh shoot, was that a short one? I think I accidentally just put a short one, like that short one that I used before. I think I put that on the outside. All right, well that came right off. Okay, long, let's do another long. Long, long. Oh no. Let's do it with my hands. All right, one. No, I feel like there's more of a bond underneath than the top part of the lash, which you would think there'd be more on the top part so it adheres to your lashes better. Let's try this one. Long, long. Shoot, no. They keep sticking onto each other and not my actual lash. So that's a little frustrating. Okay, one. Okay, let's secure that on. No, stop it. I'm getting a little frustrated. Okay, come on. Okay, one more time. We can do this. All right, let's put that there. No! I am curious on how these will wear if they're just coming off so easily right now. And I don't want to keep getting new ones because then I'm gonna have nothing left, you know? No, stay on, don't stick. Shoot, man. Let's get a new one. Okay, that one's on. Let's secure it. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, seems to me like you really should not touch the bond like at all. I don't have like lotion or anything like that on my hand, but I guess just like the natural oils from, you know, your hand and touching it, maybe it just affects the adhesive, which is, I mean, I feel like I work better with my hands anyway than with tools. Okay, that one's on. Let's try to secure that. I will say I do not struggle this much when I have used other at-home lash extension kits. Just saying. That one was not bad. There we go. I'm like, once I get it on there, I'm so scared to touch it, but I need to, you know, press it and secure it. I wonder if the applicator does make that much of a difference, being like non-stick. Maybe, maybe not. But, all right, not bad. Okay, now I'm up to the last one on this side. Short. I need short. If I do that, okay, here you go. Push. Okay. Okay, they're on there. We did it. Okay, let's see. It's like, stop while you're ahead. Why are you doing it again? Why? Oh, okay. So I'm kind of like curving it away instead of just lifting it straight off. Maybe that helps. All right, I think we're good. We're good. Okay, we did it. You can definitely see the extensions. Like you can see each cluster. One looks better than the other, but you see that? That's like the adhesive right there that keeps poking my eye. Not great, but not terrible. That was a little bit tricky. Again, I don't know if it's because I don't have their applicator that it was sticking onto my applicators more than it would theirs. So I'm not even gonna fault them on that because I am not using their designated applicator. But, you know, I got it on. It's not bad. I do like that you can customize it. However, because I feel like I had to use quite a few because it almost felt like the bond lost the stickiness pretty quickly. Like if you touched it, it seemed like it was really not sticking onto your lash. But once I got it on and I like, you know, secure it in there, it's fine. This one feels great. Like this one, I feel like I'm not wearing anything at all. This one, I'm feeling them a little bit because they're kind of like all over the place. But I think I will get used to it. And I have very sensitive eyes. So hopefully that doesn't bother me. I still have quite a few left over, which is good. You know, I did have to use a little bit. I am curious though, because to me, it didn't really seem like the bond was that strong. Like I felt like it wasn't sticking on that well and it came off pretty easily. So for them to claim that it's like a 24-hour hold, that's a bold claim. We will see. So right now it is kind of later in the day. It's around, what time is it? 2:15 right now. So I will try to check in and see how they're holding up. I wonder if they will last a full 24 hours because other at-home lash extensions that I've used, it lasts like a few days. So this is claiming to have a 24-hour hold. It's 2:15 right now. It's a Friday and I'm going to wear them. I will try my best to check in. Okay, I'm just doing a quick check-in. It's about 6 hours later. Ignore the little baby hairs. That's all my hair growing back. But just a quick check-in. They look good. They look good. They're super, super comfortable. I have to say, it feels like I'm not really wearing anything, which is nice. Even the one that was bothering me, like I still see the little adhesive thing there, but it's fine. I asked my husband what he thought of them and he said that they looked good. He did say that this one looked like a little just like up and down, which again, that's just my application error, I guess. But no, they feel pretty good. Very, very comfortable. I like the look of them. Very lightweight. I think with a little bit of practice, I will get used to just knowing how to work with them. and I think I will definitely be using them again. I'm gonna see if they will last a full 24 hours, but as of now, I think these are great. So the imPRESS Press On Lashes by Kiss, I really like them. Definitely recommend at this point. As of now, they feel nice. They look good, I think. Things that don't look great, it seems like it's more like my error as far as like application, not being completely on the lash line, kind of like all over the place. But that's on me. And I'm trying it. I'm not going to say that I'm the best at it. So we'll go with that. But as far as the actual lashes, the look of them are nice. Like they don't look too, I mean, obviously they don't look real, but I'm not going for like a real look. I went with the wispy, so you obviously know that there's something on my eyes. They do have different options, different styles. If you want something a little bit more dramatic and bold, if you want something more natural, they do have different options, and they feel really nice. They don't look like too plasticky. There are some lashes that I've tried that it just does not look good. It looks like plastic and just not cute, but these are okay. They have like a little bit of a like shine, a little bit of that reflection that makes it look fake, besides it obviously looking fake. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? Do you know what I'm talking about? But yeah, they feel really great and they are not irritating my eyes besides that one little piece, but even now it's fine. So I have very like extremely sensitive eyes and they're not irritating my eyes. So I'm very curious to see how these hold up. Hi, okay, update. The lashes stayed on for well over 24 hours. I wore them for almost a full 2 days. They are incredibly comfortable and they have become some of my all-time favorite lashes. These are fun. I like the idea of them, that you can just, like, you don't have to worry about bringing a lash glue or anything like that. That you can have the look of eyelash extensions and not that strip lash without having to worry about bringing a lash glue with you. It's kind of like grab and go. That seems convenient, right? So you don't have to constantly be like, where's my glue, blah, blah, blah. But okay, I will let you know. I will try my best to let you know. But as of now, as like a first impression, it feels comfortable. It looks good. I like the convenience of it. I think it will take a little bit of practice with applying these specifically, because I think I'm pretty good with applying these type of eyelashes, but normally I use like a glue and that seems to help a little bit. So the fact that these have the glue on them already is convenient. However, you have a little bit less control about like obviously how much glue and how sticky it is, how tacky they get, because they're already on the lash. But not bad. I kind of like these. Cool. Maybe I will go ahead and pick up the pack with the applicator just to see if there's a difference. Let me know if you're curious, if you want an update, if I end up doing that or not. But yeah, these seem really nice. So I don't know if you've tried them. Please let me know. Let me know if you've tried any other like at-home extensions, what your thoughts on. Do you hate them? Do you love them? Have you tried these? Will you try these? I don't know. These seem great. So that's it. I like these so far. A little bit of a learning curve, a little bit of moments of frustration, but nothing that will deter me from using these again. So I definitely think I will at least finish this pack and probably pick up another set. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you aren't subscribed already, and ring the bell for notifications. That way you get notified anytime I upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.